大家好 ，Welcome back to Now in Chinese. I'm Mia. 现在我在肯德基 I'm right now at the KFC and I just placed my order and waiting for my 套餐. So this is a 套餐, a collaboration between 肯德基 and 崩坏星穹铁道 Honkai Star Rail the game. So in the 套餐 we've got the food and we also got some 周边 some gifts, some merch from Honkai Star Rail. Let's see what we will get. Alright, just got my food and the 周边. Let's check it out. So first of all, ta-da! 单横. Yeah, this is a 车票, right? Train ticket. Wow, looks really nice. Right, and we also have here 3月7. Look at this 雷射工艺 right? Wow. Okay, let me switch the angle and show you. Wow, books, right? Rainbow color. And there it says 车票, right? A ticket. And the 单横. Fan 过来, right? Flip back. We say fan, the verb fan, flip. 过来, this is HSK 3, B1 kind of level grammar. 翻过来, it's called 趋向补语, complement, directional complement. So, right, flip over, we say 翻过来. You will see 单横 again. And these are the characters. 单, the surname. It has a couple of meanings, but if I see it, what first comes to mind will be the color red. So 丹 is like a red brownish color, so kind of similar to home, but it sounds more like ancient Chinese and sounds more elegant. 横, 横 means like constant preservance. It's a nice name. 丹横. It looks cool actually in 常服, right? Daily clothes. We say 常服. 服 from the word clothes. 衣服, right? 衣服. In the word 衣服, the 服 kind of lost its tone, becomes a neutral tone, but by itself, it's 服 second tone. 常 from the word 日常, which means daily, day to day. So 常服 means like not really in a battle, in a gang, right? Just like walking on the street. Daily clothes. 常服. Okay, that's our 单横. Next up are 3月7. So first word, cute. 可爱. 可爱. She is really cute. 可爱. And this hairstyle, right, with this band in the front here, right? So in Chinese we say 刘海. This thing is called 刘海. 她有刘海. So she has such a hairstyle with the bands. 翻过来, right, again, flip over, 翻过来. 她有照相机, a camera, we say 照相机, 照相, taking photos. 机 machine. So for example, mobile phone, right? Same. We say 手机. 手 means hand. 机 means machine, right? With machine in your hand. That's the mobile phone. Or the airplane, right? 飞机. 飞 means fly. 机 machine. So the flying machine. The airplane, 飞机. So here the same, right? The machine for taking photos, we say 照相机. 3月7有一个照相机. These characters, probably you already know, right? Very simple. 3月7, March the 7th is the meaning. Besides the 车票, train tickets, we've got this. This is 杯套. 杯套. 杯 from the word 杯子 cup. 套 is like a case, a cover. So this is like a cup holder, right? I can kind of open it this way. So that's a 杯套 featuring both 单横 and 3月7. A closer look at the 杯套. So here, 单横 is serving the tea. So cute. 太可爱了. And 3月7 is already trying some desserts. Last but not least, we have this special bucket with the design also with our two characters, 单横 and 3月7. Alright, that's all for today's episode. Hope you've enjoyed and have learned some words along the way. This is Now in Chinese. I'm Mia. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Okay, I'll say goodbye with 单横 and 3月7. See you in the next episode. Bye.